Austin, what's that? What's that?
Oh, guys.
Poo? Harley poo?
Ew, that's nasty.
What is it?
What is that?
Gooby, what is it? What is it, Gooby? Is it poo? It poo?
It's a bus.
I don't know a bus here.
It's frickin' poo.
Don't get poo all over the yard. Yes, you guys. Oh my god, okay, I'm gonna try and snowboard down this.
She's gonna try and snowboard.
Probably gonna fall on my ass.
She's gonna die? Cold?
Oh, my butt! My butt is so cold! Ow, I think I just got frostbite on my ass cheek.
Harley, knock your shit off. Oh my god! Harley!
I ripped a hole in my pants! Look at it! Trevor!
Oh snap! Look at that gigantic hole. Well, it's not as big as this one.
Hey, that one's not that big. Okay, stop it. It's gonna be really long.
Okay.
How do you stop it?